Well, hello, and welcome to your DIY Success Blueprint. My name is Cecilia Morris, and I'm going to be your tour guide on your success journey. I just wanted to take this time to say thank you for taking the steps that 90% of new online marketers do not take when it comes to building their business online. With the 5 videos plus the bonus video and 3 reports that I have provided you, you are well on your way from building your brand and your business online using the tools and strategies that I am sharing with you in these videos and reports. So with that being said, I just wanted to give you a quick navigation of how you access this information to make sure you get the most out of the program you purchase. And once again, thank you for being part of the success team with Success with Cecilia. Let's get it started. I'll share my screen. All right, so you got the basic membership, and refresh the screen because you should be logged in by now. All right, so you are logged in and you are now watching this video. So go to members only, basic membership, and you want the DIY Success Blueprint. In this video, here, you see our online course reveals the simple systems you can use to create highly effective Facebook pages and videos, how to transfer those videos to YouTube, and how to run highly converted Facebook ads, and so much more. So here are your videos, and they are all made to build upon each other. So please do them in order. Video 1 is how to correctly create your Facebook fan page and YouTube channel. Do the video and then complete the exercise. Video 2, get 5,000 likes for your Facebook fan page. And video 2 has exercises as well. So go through each video in the order that they are presented. And then, of course, complete your bonus reports. By the end of this whole package, you have built yourself a professional brand and you are establishing yourself as an authority and an expert in your niche. So that is how you navigate the DIY Success Blueprint. Once again, my name is Cecilia. I wish you much success, and I'll see you at the top.